All right, so I mean, I'm sorry my credit score is so messy. I didn't have time to clean it up. um, so basically, you go here to the top where it says accounts, and then you click accounts. Disregard that number, bro. That's literally just hospital bills. Because I didn't have insurance, so I would like look at the hospital and they would be like, "Oh, your shit's gonna be like $2,000," and I would be like, "Okay, charge me. I'm gonna get rid of it in 5 years." Fucking dumbass. This one, I think this $300 one, right there. That's the one I'm contesting right now. So let's go to it, and then I should have an open thing. So anyway, this thing is going to come up. It's going to show you pretty much, like if you remove it, if you pay in full, if you settle for less. I wish this wasn't so blurry right now. But what you do is, so this is the thing, right? You can click report info, and this tells you how long the dispute has been going on for. So you want to disregard the number over here, because that is when it was last reported. They can report it anytime they want, right? So just disregard this number. You're looking over here at how long the actual account was opened for. 6 years, 2 months. So in Florida, it's 5 years. So I scroll down, and then right here, the suitcase, dispute in a few steps. So I click that. Right here, this pops up. There's a side that says ownership reasons and accuracy reasons. You only need to click one. So for me, right here, the account is too old to be on my credit report. And then down here, you type in a note. And right here, I would just put, according to California state statutes, the amount of time credit debt can be on a report is cannot exceed more than 5 years, and is then eligible to be expunged, or whatever, like I can write up a thing. But basically I just wanted to show you in this video like how to pretty much dispute your credit reports. So it takes 30 days to actually be approved, and usually the company will take the entire 30 days. So 30 days from approving that dispute, you will get an answer whether it was approved or denied. When it's higher ones like this one is fucking 1904. Again, they tried me again just a while ago. But don't ever talk to anybody that is calling you about your credit. Do not ever talk to anybody that's calling about your credit. That will fuck you up, because then they get to reopen the case. So as long as you have not fucked with the people that are fucking with you, or talk to them, if never say, yes, this is me, how can I help you, creditor? Like, don't do that. But this one, yeah, I've tried disputing this one, and I think you can see in the past here. No, well, it might show it here. No, it doesn't show it. I've tried disputing this a few times. In certain cases, the statute goes up to 7 years. So I might be 11 months away from disputing this one. But yeah, essentially that's how you fix your credit score.